Hey, hello, Diana Castillo here, and in this video I'm gonna be answering one of the most common questions that I'm getting, and it's what's my favorite type of affiliate marketing program? I have been doing this for the past 5 years, so people wonders. So all the answers about that it's gonna be in this video. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be explaining, what's my favorite type of affiliate marketing program and why, because there are so many programs out there, so you have a better idea and a better understanding. So basically, yeah, we have three types to put it away. The first one is going to be low ticket. What those low ticket means, basically you're getting a low commission. Some people say like, hey, like you can earn up to $100. Then some describe it at mid ticket. Okay, so this is a program in which people are going to be, charging between 500 to 1,000. Okay, 100 to 1,000. And there is high ticket. In high ticket, you are going to be earning, okay, this is your commission. Some people say between $500, that's going to be your commission. But I consider it like if you earn at least $100,000, that's definitely high ticket. Okay, but there is another type of affiliate program which is recurring. Okay, you're going to be getting recurring income month after month after month. Okay, so most people don't talk about this because most people right now are just focusing on this, okay, on the high ticket program, because yeah, it sounds sexy when you have a screenshot as you show people like, hey, I'm earning $1,000, $2,000 commission. But you, with all these three programs, this is literally you. Okay, at the beginning of the month, here you have, okay, this is you at the beginning of the month. So you always start from zero. It doesn't matter how much money you earn, you always start from zero. So chances are, like, let's say that this month you are crushing it and you're making 5K. Then here you just have 2K. Then on this month, and you are crushing it and you're doing 30K per month. Okay, but every single month you are starting from zero. But with continuity programs, okay, which is recurring income, this is actually how everything happens. Okay, here you have, of course, you're gonna start from zero. Okay, but on the very first month, let's say that you make 2 sales. Okay, two sales. On the second month, you make 2 sales, but you have these 2 plus 2. Okay, so you have 4. You're gonna be earning commission from 4. Then on the next month, you did not earn any sale, any commission. So you're not going to be earning 0. You're going to be keep earning for 4, and so on. So this is going to be like a snowball effect. It's going to be growing month after month after month. And you are not, starting from scratch. Okay. That's something that is actually really important. You're not wondering like every single month, like, okay, where the money is going to come from. And this is actually a way of how you can have a real business. Okay, there are different type of continuity programs. Okay, you can have like memberships. Okay, which type of memberships? You can refer people to get a software. For example, I use Aweber, which is my favorite email provider. I have been using it, for a really long time. Okay, so the person who referred me to Aweber, it's actually earning money until today. Okay, and depending on the program, sometimes, yeah, you're going to be earning a small commission, but if the person, it's adding other add-ons, okay, this is actually depend on the program. So you have to check on, the affiliate page. Okay, you're going to be earning from the add-ons as well. And it's actually, as I mentioned, it's going to be growing month after month after month. So it's going to be eliminating the stress, to put it in a way. By the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this, consider checking the very first link in the description. So you're going to have access to a complete training about this. Okay. So yeah, we have this this kind of membership for softwares. Right now the world changed the past couple of years, so you can have access to virtual gyms. There are some pages in which you can actually pay for a monthly fee, so you can get discounts on different products. And if you refer a person to that type of of programs or pages, you are actually going to be getting commissions. As I mentioned, I have, for example, a Weber, I have ClickFunnels, I have System.io. Oh, those are the ones, that are coming to my mind right now. But man, there is a lot. And as I told you, I have been doing this for 5 years. Yeah, literally since 2018. Since 2018, yeah. So a little bit over 5 years. And definitely this is my favorite type of affiliate program, and this is the one that I recommend. And chances are that you have heard me on other videos like, yeah, the money is in the list. Okay, the money definitely is in the list. And this is also a great way of how you can actually make money grows. Okay, this is actually how you can make money grows. Yeah, as I mentioned before, it's not as sexy as you are going to be telling people, showing a screenshot like, hey, I earned $2,000, $3,000 in literally just one commission. But it's definitely something that is going to be releasing the stress on your end. It's definitely something that is going to be helping you create as a real business. Okay, a real business that like, hey, from this month, for example, I'm going to start with $4,000. Okay, and don't get me wrong, they are actually all of this. Okay, they are low ticket continuity programs, they are mid ticket continuity programs, and they are high ticket continuity programs. So that's the reason why I put this separate. Okay, so don't get me wrong, because all of this you can earn recurring commissions. Okay, this is actually depending on the program. I know someone who is promoting a software in which he is actually earning $700 per month per customer. Okay, just by referring people. Okay, so there is a lot of opportunities out there, guys. Again, if you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so you can understand more about affiliate marketing, how to create a real business with affiliate marketing, and what we really want. We want freedom. So check the very first link in the description. So guys, I hope you find this helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments and questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Please share this information with someone you think he or she might value this. And I see you on the next video.